I am just going to use 1 packet of Snapdragons from the dollar store. I'm still reusing plastic. I think this one came from a mattress. So I just folded that into 4s. I'm either going to use duct tape or twine to hold it on, or both. And then I'll poke some holes in the top. Before I put the plastic on, I'm going to label Snapdragons were March 3rd. PS is potting soil. These are dollar store seeds. Anytime I use some dollar store seeds, I will try to label them on whatever I do, so that when I have some reveal videos, you can see that they do just as well as the other seeds. I tied twine on there pretty tight. I decided this one needed more than just twine, so I did some good pieces of duct tape. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and make sure I get through all 3 layers so that the moisture and the rain and the snow can get in there. Ta-da! That wasn't hard. So now it just goes outside in the snow, in the moisture. So watch this tiny clip on one that I've had success with last year. Bye! Look at these yellow Snapdragons I did on March 20th. Look how full they are. Let's see if they're really Snapdragons. Hopefully they're not lettuce. Let's open this up. Oh, that's gorgeous. Definitely Snapdragons. Those are going in today. Exciting. Let's see if they're all yellow. I wouldn't mind if they're a mixed color. How fun. This one looks promising. The plastic's actually on it too much. I think I'll just get the plastic off this. It says Snapdragons and Penstemon layered. Remember what I meant by layered? It means the very bottom of it is wood chips, rabbit poo, potting soil at the top. The very top layer should be the best soil you have.